welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day and we just finished having LJ's birthday party slash extravaganza week of activities, and it is officially Earth Day, right? Earth Day is here. So I figured we might as well do some Earth Day activities. I got myself a hydroponic growing system. Check this out. So I actually got this on Amazon for 40 bucks. And I figured I'm gonna start some seedlings that I wanna transfer outside in here. And then eventually what I'm gonna finish it off with are herbs. So I really have a hard time growing herbs here in Florida. The heat just literally kills them so fast. So I really wanna grow some like dill, basil, thyme, rosemary, things of that sort, and keep them in here. And that way they just kind of always produce themselves and I can use them for cooking. Anyways, let's go ahead and get this show started. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully we can grow our things in here and start a little mini garden.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper.
I just finished unpacking this and it has a total of 12 pots. So I'm gonna be starting off with yellow squash, one jalapeno. We're also going to be doing some zucchini. We like to eat a lot of zucchini in this household, as well as sweet peppers. So this is what we're gonna be starting off with. I don't have any seeds for the herbs. Those I'm gonna do after I harvest these. I wanna see how it works, then transfer them outside, and then do the actual herbs. Supposedly you can do this any time of the year. That's why it doesn't really matter like when I do the herbs. But these, they do kind of matter, and I'm running really short on time. Hopefully they'll survive. We'll see. It's all a learning process. Oh, and I almost forgot, we also have green beans. So I'm going to plant these as well. We use these quite a bit in our household, and hopefully they'll be okay. Right, Mama? We're gonna have some plants? Food, that's right. All right, so I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this. This is pretty big. There's an 8-pot one, which is smaller, but I decided to get the 12 because I want all the herbs, you know, as much as we can fit in. But I think I'm gonna put it on this little window seal. So I gotta clear up the mess and start this off. I mean, it seems pretty easy. Based on what the instructions say, it says that you have to place the seed in here. This is what actually goes inside the tank, and it has a little tiny hole for the seed to go in. And then the water starts, you know, going into this sponge-like dirt, it seems like. And hopefully we'll get some plants. They have these little things that you place them in, like so. Like this, I think. And then the seed in here. And then you place it on top and you put a little lid on it to create kind of like a green dome. You use these to create a green dome. So it's gonna be something like, something like this. So hopefully this is what we'll have. Anyways, enough talking, chit-chatting, let's do this thing.
Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
perfectly right here. It's like the perfect length, not too wide. I mean, it's perfect. So I'm gonna turn it on. I think there's a button up here that you turn it on. Woo! This thing is bright. And hopefully we can get some plants going. I'm excited, you guys. So now it says that you have to feed the water with some of the plant food. I'm not sure if that's necessary, but we're gonna do it anyways for the first round. And then I'm gonna do some research and see if we actually need that plant food.
Wake up.
Oh my gosh, what is that? So these are the lights. They're red, blue, and white. And they're supposed to replicate the sun. And over here are the actual pods. So you have a total of 12 pods, 6 on this side and 6 on that side. You insert the water in this little hole, and the tank can actually hold 5.5 liters. You're not supposed to fill it up more than that because when the hydration system turns on, it can overflow. And this is what the actual pod will look like once you plant the seed. So this will create a little bit of warmth. This is where you have the actual pod inside with the seed. And then it's supposed to sprout up. So I'm going to prep the water, and next we will add our seedlings. The growing system also came with these labels so that you can write down what plants you are going to be doing, as well as these covers to limit the light. You stick them right on top of the little plastic domes, and this way you know exactly which is which. After this, I went ahead and dissolved the nutrients. They do not come with water. They're like pebble form, so you fill up the bottle completely with water, you shake it up, it dissolves, and it's ready to be placed in the tank. So for the tank, I filled it up completely, 5.5 liters, and then each bottle has instructions on how much you should actually place inside the tank. You're supposed to use 5 milliliters for every liter.
Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. No, yeah. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away.
All right, so this is pretty simple. Basically, you grab it, put the seed inside, and then you grab this part and place it right in here and cover it up. I have my little handy dandy labels so I'll know which one it is. Got half of them in. I have 4 more that I'm going to plant, and then that's basically it. Hopefully this works out. The instructions are very vague. They're not the best instructions, so we'll see what happens.
I know how you feel, but you're scared to say to my face. I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away.
All right, so they are officially in. I'm excited. I have no idea if this is gonna work or not. I mean, the reviews said that it does work, so it should. But the last step is to lower this as close as possible to the actual seeds, is what it said. So I think that's pretty low. Hopefully they will start to grow. I will check up on them in a couple of days. It'll probably be another vlog. So I will leave that linked down below once I have it made, if that makes sense. So hopefully the internet will push this through the online universe and you'll be able to see what actually happened to all of these. So that is done.
Why don't we let it walk? Why don't